Thai versus Vahini, daughter versus your sister-in-law. Do you concede that this is your toughest battle? Because you won here 3 times, but you're fighting your own family this time. Do you concede it's your toughest fight?
Not at all. See, time is the biggest healer. And I think when you first start, you feel, oh my God, it's emotional. But then you realize why you are into politics. You have to have complete clarity. This is not about my family. For me, it's the country first, then the state, then the party, and then my family. So I have complete clarity of why I am in politics. So this is not a personal fight at all. This is not about our relationships. This is about the cause that we are working for.
But there is an emotional edge to what, to your speeches, to the fact that your father at 83 is watching his family getting split like this. Somewhere you are appealing for votes on emotion.
Not at all.
No votes on emotion?
Have you seen it? It's only on performance. And the family is not split. A small part of the family has taken a decision which is not aligned with the entire family.
No, but the small part is Ajit Pawar, who is someone who has been the MLA from here, Deputy Chief Minister, someone whom you have called Ajit Dada. I mean, surely you cannot say that there is no family fight here.
No, there's no. What would the fight be about?
About power.
Not at all.
Who is the inheritor to Sharad Pawar's legacy? Daughter or Dada?
He had it on a platter. Had he stayed, he would be on the dais. Last speaker before Mr. Pawar. It was so clear.
You are very clear about
Of
that
course.
he is the person who inherits your
Absolutely.
father's legacy.
Absolutely. It was so clear in the family
But-
that I would work in Delhi because he never wanted to go to Delhi. And I was very happy working in Delhi. So he would work here and I would work there, and we worked as a team perfectly for the last 18 years.
But he has been talking in every rally, saying that don't fall for the trap, the emotional trap. Every rally I've been hearing that he's saying that. Even yesterday
But
he
who's
said.
showing emotions? Are we or he?
So that's the question. Are you showing emotions or he's showing?
You have to judge that. How can I judge that?
So yesterday in the speech, there was a constant talk about who is on whose side. A lot of people here are also saying that they have been getting calls from Ajit Pawar that now you have to work for me, not for Supriya. How do you look at this? How do you look at the campaign? Because these people have been working for you since last 3 elections.
It's very sad because why? I mean, this is what the pulse is or what I hear. That it's very sad that in a democracy where everybody has a right to choose what they believe in. And when people left us, we didn't call anybody and say, oh my God, why are you leaving, or don't leave us. It's a choice people made. People most close to our heart left us for no valid reason from our end.
No, are you saying that your workers are being threatened and intimidated here in Baramati?
That's the buzz. That's the buzz.
Is it true that your workers
Well-
are being intimidated to say that if you campaign for Supriya Sule, we will act
That's
against
what people are telling me. There are 10 examples.
No, so then that's exactly what I said. Therefore, it's not just a friendly fight here. It's a fight to the finish.
Not at all. Not from our end. We are following every democratic rule. We are not calling anybody. And clearly, we would never even dream of threatening anybody. I mean, that's not our politics.
Is it you're asking for the mandate for the 4th time now,
Yes.
right? Is it the toughest election after 2014? You think that this is the toughest election
Not
for
at
you?
all. As a matter
Because
of
you're
fact,
fighting your own people.
I'm not fighting my own people. I'm not fighting them at all. I'm fighting the East India Company of Delhi, who actually had no candidate from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. They couldn't find one candidate against me, that they had to come into my family and find a lady member from my family to contest against me. Could they not have? India is such a talented country. You're trying to tell me BJP, which is such a large organization, election machinery, God knows what all they call themselves.
No, you're
They can't
saying-
find one candidate
You're
against
saying
me.
Modi Shah, BJP's East India Company, which has come to Baramati to divide and break your family.
That's what Chandrakant Patil said. He said, we want to finish Sharad Pawar. This is not my statement. This is Chandrakant Patil's official statement on your channel.
But the buzz in Delhi is that Amit Shah instructed Ajit Pawar that his wife has to fight Supriya Sule because only then will he align with the NCP.
So then he can ensure that there is actually a
Yeah,
race within the family.
somewhere Amit Shah wants to perhaps send out a message that Sharad Pawar broke the BJP Shiv Sena alliance. We will break his party.
I have no access to Amit Shah ji besides Parliament, so I won't be able to comment on
Come
it.
on, you do.
I mean,
Next
I'm
time you are
waiting
in
in
Parliament, you must ask him this.
No, I mean, it's okay now. I mean, what is there to ask?
One big challenge you have is symbol. You've lost your symbol. The other side has the clock. You have the tutari. How are your voters going to know कि तुतारी ला vote करणार की घड्याळला देणार?
My voters are super intelligent, first of all. And you're so confident. You just asked me that next time when you meet Amit Shah in Parliament, please ask him this question. So even you, who has come from elsewhere, feels I'm going to win. So it's a clear mandate that I'm
You
getting.
really think? I mean,
No,
you
I
have
have
already
not
given
said
the
that.
mandate.
पण तुतारी की घड्याळ? नाही पण सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की तुतारी सिंबल झाली आहे. No, but isn't that a big challenge? But no, isn't that a big challenge that suddenly you have changed your symbol?
No, of course it is. See, a lot of challenges. We are fighting the East India Company. We are fighting the entire administration, which is not playing fair, unfortunately. Then, of course, there are other powers, invisible powers, as we all call them. So we have to fight it. Yeah, but somebody has to fight in this country.
No, but you're not short of resources. Come on. Now, you all are going to tell me that BJP has all the resources, the Pawars don't have the resources to take on the East India Company, as you call it.
We don't have ice. Ice is not what you're putting in your panna, which you're drinking in Maharashtra, or your lemonade. Ice is income tax, CBI and ED. We don't have that, and we never played that when we were in power.
So you're telling me that you're fighting all these forces and you're still confident of winning. Where is this confidence coming from? Because Ajit Pawar appears equally confident. For him also it's a prestige fight. He has to prove that he is the boss of Baramati.
Well, I'm not fighting this for prestige. I'm fighting this for service.
Now, are you the boss or is he the boss?
There is no boss.
Is Sunetra Vaini the boss?
Anybody can be the boss. I'm here to serve.
If Sunetra Vaini comes here, what will you tell her?
I'll say, माझं सगळं काम बघा आणि माझा विश्वास आहे की तुम्ही जर माझा कार्य अहवाल वाचला तर तुम्हीच मला उद्या मतदान करा.
So when there is Ganesh Chaturthi in August, September this year, you will go to our house. You all will celebrate
Like
together.
Diwali, right?
Or
You
Diwali, will you all
celebrate.
celebrate together?
Well, see, I am somebody who has friends and relationships across party lines. Today, I have more friends in BJP who are my well-wishers than Ajit Pawar has. Because of personal relationships. There's nothing. It is nothing about him or me. So we are brought up with completely very different values under the leadership of Shri YB Chavan.
No, but it's very interesting to see in Maharashtra, and we have seen the fight within the families even before. It's not the first time what we are seeing, but this is for the first time what we are seeing and hearing in the rallies and the way the reactions are being given. That it's a fight. Vote for Pawar, not for somebody whose surname is not Pawar. Then there is an answer that vote for somebody who is original Pawar. And how do you look at all these statements?
I don't look at this at all, to be honest.
These statements are being made
See,
in public.
first of all,
these statements are being made during the campaigns. How do you look at these?
See, the whole point is for me, this election, I reiterate, is about service. And it's not about being a boss. Why would I want to be anybody's boss here? First of all, and
Power. It's about power.
yeah, power is in service, not in bossing. Gone are those days of entitlement, Rajiv. This is the new India.
Because they will say you are Sharad Pawar's daughter, you are entitled, right?
Of course I'm entitled. I am Parivarvad.
You are Parivarvad.
Of course I'm Parivarvad.
So you
I say
accept
that.
that?
Of course I accept it. I accept it on the floor of the house. And nobody is coming now from Delhi and talking about corruption or Parivarvad. Please believe me.
Because you think there is a Parivarvad on the other side as
I mean,
well.
it's obvious, no?
Yeah.
I mean, Sharad Pawar is not Parivarvad because he created it. And if there is, Sharad Pawar is Baramati and Baramati is Sharad Pawar. But Supriya Sule and Ajit Pawar are Parivarvad. It's obvious. We
you
both have
asking-
had a soft landing.
Are you asking for a vote in the name of Sharad Pawar then?
He's my leader. Of course I'm going to ask his name in his name.
in your father's
YB Chavan, Sharad Pawar, Sonia Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray and Mr. Ambedkar.
Interesting that you have created a new...
It's our alliance. I'm not only-
She didn't mention Rahul Gandhi. You
No,
forgot.
but Sonia ji's name. I can't take all names. Then you'll say, why not Aditya Thackeray? It's such a long. I'm saving your time.
Okay, I want to know in conclusion that come the 4th of June, if you win, what does it mean? If you lose, what does it mean?
See, the whole thing is the beauty is the journey. So the whole journey to the 7th is the first phase. Then, of course, we have many. Of course, I will win on merit. Because if you go into merit, if you do candidate to candidate or UPA versus NDA, it's obvious. It's not rocket science for me.
If you are, if we meet Sunetra Pawar and she's there, what is the message you want to give Sunetra Pawar?
I will always give her love And I will always give her respect because she's so much older than me.
But
And
as
these
a
are the
candidate,
values.
opponent?
I don't look at her as an opponent.
You don't look at her as an opponent.
Not at all. I'm not fighting her at all. I'm fighting the East India Company from Delhi which wants to destroy Sharad Pawar and Maharashtra. I have a problem with them because they come to Maharashtra, take our jobs away. They come to Maharashtra and Baramati and say we want to finish Sharad Pawar. This is not our politics.
So you're playing on Maharashtrian Asmita, I see.
Of course, I'm a
There is
very proud Indian and I'm a proud Maharashtrian. Maharashtrian means the way Kailaswasi Yashwantrao Chavan said, anybody who lives in Maharashtra is Maharashtrian.
Okay. Supriya Sule, you're fighting tough. Not an easy campaign, I know.
No, it's actually enjoyable.
You're enjoying it. Okay.
I love it because you're with your people. Why would you not?
Okay, we wish you well.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.